Something like you is the last song on the record, and it was again, I guess I kind of got a little, when I was writing it, I was feeling pretty miserable and pretty lonely, which I just kind of contradicts Rolling in the Deep, where I was like, I'm going to be fine without you. This one was me kind of on my knees. That relationship, the entire record's about this, really summed up in Someone Like You. It changed me in a really good way. It's really made me who I am at the moment. You know, I'm sure there'll be another relationship. Well, I hope so anyway. It helps change me and refine me as well. But I can imagine being about 40 and looking for him again and turning up and he's settled and he's got a beautiful wife and some beautiful kids and he's completely happy and I'm still on my own. It's kind of about that. Settle down, that you found the girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess you gave me a chance I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from life. Hate to turn off out of the blue, uninvited back. Couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I hope you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I was nothing but nothing for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said. Sometimes it hurts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it hurts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah. You know how time flies on you. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. Hate to turn off out of the blue, uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face and that you be reminded that it isn't over. Yeah. Every night I'll find someone like you. I wish you nothing but nothing for you. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said. Sometimes it hurts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it hurts to love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah, nothing compares, no worries ahead. Regrets and mistakes and memories made. You have known how bittersweet this would be.
guess what I'm doing here, solving a Rubik's Cube. I need to finish in time. I have something to show off. I guess it's original thought. People have challenged me to Google it, and I'll be able to find it. I haven't found it. So, I'm going to finish this. Sorry, I don't have so well-written, beautifully sung song playing anymore. It's distracting me as well. I'm almost there. I'm actually at a strange spot I've never really been. So I'm just going to continue what I do. I don't really care what my name is. It's what's his name? Making an appearance. Once seen me before with talking without being heard, maybe. Didn't have a mic that day. If you're curious. Alright, I'm falling behind because I'm talking to you, but I don't want you to be bored. Ramble on. We're almost there. Don't you fret. It's just a little bit more mixed up than I thought they were. So. We're about there. Actually, I guess I should mention, we're almost there because we have the fish. I mean, look at that bottom side. It's nice. Fish, flower. Some people call it flower. I call it fish for this purpose. Right. Basically, because when I'm trying to find it, I'm trying to catch the fish. Maybe trying to grow the flower. I guess that works too. Anyways, where we're at here now is the fun part. I'm just going to do it though. I want to show it off. What I'm showing off is what we're going to do after we have the Rubik's Cube solved. Which is about this point too, by the way. But it's hard to see. The lighting's weird for me. White and yellows are mixing up, right? There we go. So we have a full Rubik's Cube. A little bit late. Fucking 10 minutes in. Oh wow. Glad you guys got to listen to Adele, ain't you? Anyways, so I have this thing where I've never seen a fish on every side of Rubik's Cube. A friend of mine kind of challenged, thought it would be nice. Wondered if it was even possible, and I found out that it is. Kind of counted as my original thought, but he's a chum. Good friend of mine, so he's there with me. That brings up a conversation that I had once. Where do artists get their inspiration? Who is it? And all that. It's the artists, of course. I guess other people can see it differently. Anyways, I'm going to do this. It just takes a little while. Not long at all, sorry. I can't even see myself doing this anymore, but whatever. I'm doing the original backwards. As you can imagine, it's fun to play with this thing for some people, and other people want to throw it quite quickly. So, yeah, back at the fun part. Just kind of the key of what I'm doing, I guess. Yeah, I guess we're pretty much concluding the video here. It's dedicated to a special someone I've talked to before in my life, and never again. It's funny. You could say, after meeting that person, it felt as if I'd known them already in my life, and I knew that I was going to know them for the rest of my life. I guess you could say that. We have the red flower. You see the 3 points, or I guess, which way is it a flower? This way is a flower. A little fishy the way I held it. That's a blue. That's an orange. Trust me, those yellows are not orange. Maybe that helped. You got the green one there. Which side haven't you seen? The white. The Rubik's Cube. Fun. Did I show them all? Red, white, green, yellow, blue, orange. They all have that fish design on it. Have fun, guys. See you around, maybe.